Good morning, friends. Again, I thought I'd talk to you what else I found. So here's a leaf. I found a leaf too, and I found some sticks. These are all the things that you can find along when you have a nature walk. As you walk. So again, you can do this when it's beautiful outside or even a rainy day. And I hope you enjoyed what I found. So next week I'm gonna go for a walk again. I was gonna go to the lake, but it was windy. Very windy when I went there. So I couldn't go close to the lake, but hopefully some other day I can do this. Hope you liked it again. Thank you. Good morning, friends. I took a walk today to nature walk, and I thought I found some things that I found along. I found this right here, acorn. I also found pine trees. It's so beautiful outside right now. And I will, as along the way, if I found anything else, I'm gonna let you know. But this is so far what I found right now.